Let's create a backup of your environment and then restore it using OEC.sh. First of all, log in with your OEC.sh account using email and password. Then click on Projects, and here you can see your created projects. Click on Manage, and then click on Environment and hit Edit to enter inside the environment. Then click on the Create Backup button to create it. Select your storage location and backup type, then choose the retention period and click on the Create Backup button. Your backup was created successfully. You can see all your backups on the left side inside Operations. Now again, go inside your environment. Then clicking on the Backups tab and clicking on the Restore icon, you can restore it in your original environment, or you can create a new environment for it. For a new environment, you have to give it a new name and select a type. And type Restore to confirm it, and click the Create and Restore button. You can see the Restore started notification. After complete restore, you have to redeploy your environment. It will take a few minutes to deploy. And after deployment, it's done. You are successfully created backup and then restored it with OEC.sh.